channel Kids Creators. Today we are going to make a first aid box. You know how important it is for the house. So today we are going to make a easy first aid box. So let's get started. So I have taken a teacup set box. I prefer to take it because I could take a shoebox also, but I haven't taken because it has germs as a carriage shoe. So now I will open it. For my help, I have already got this box ready-made in white, and I have got some materials ready inside. For example, now just we have to cover this white portion and also cover this. And these are the other materials. If needed, we will cut them and make more. Now I am taking a white chart to cover this empty place.
Now I will draw a line according to the box. Now I will cut it. After I have finished cutting it, I will apply modern glue on the surface in the inner part of the box, and then I will stick the paper. Now I will cover the cap of the box with white chart paper. Now do the same way we did for the box. Draw the line, cut the paper, and then stick it in the way shown.
Now we will cover this as we did for the previous one.
Now draw the lines in the way shown on all four sides. Please use a scale. You can draw it with a pen or pencil. It is better drawing it with a pencil if you are not good at drawing with scale. Do not use free hand. four sides in the way I have to. Please cut them in the way shown. I have finished cutting. After finishing cutting all four sides, I am cutting away the extra paper. Now I will stick them with gum. I am making 2 more compartments by using a larger cardboard. I have made 2 compartments. If you want, you can make them, or else it's not necessary. I am making the partitions of the box. I am using small sized cardboard which I have covered with white chart. It is not necessary for you to stick them in the way I have. You can stick them in the way you want as per the space and size of the box. tape of two types to cover the edges of the box. I am writing first aid box on the top of the box. You should also write it. After writing, I am making a symbol of first aid. It should be made as it is the symbol. We have kept many things in our first aid box like bandages, plasters, cotton, medicines and many more. Comment us below what are you going to keep. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Comment us below what are you going to keep in the box.